Hello guys, welcome back to LEETCODE. So in our SQL series of solving LEETCODE questions, I am back with another brand new question, which is product sale analysis 1. Fine. So let's not talk much and start with the question. Fine. I have a table over here, table sales and product table. Okay, let's understand what is inside these tables. So sales table contains 5 columns: sale ID, product ID, year, quantity and price. Okay, fine. Now here there are two things to notice is sale ID and year is the primary key of this table. Okay, so there are two primary keys. Fine. Each row will have unique sale ID and unique year. Got it? Now the next thing is we have another column, product ID, and our product table contains the same column. Fine. And this column is the primary key. Product ID is the primary key of product table. So it is a reference. Product ID is act as a reference in sales table for product table. Hope you understood. Okay. So here in the sales table, we will call product ID column as our foreign key. Why? Because product ID column acts as a reference in the sales table for product table. Hope my words were clear to everyone. Now, in this product table, we have only two columns, product ID and product name, and product ID is the primary key. What exactly we have to do over here in this question is, here is the question. We have to write a solution to report the product name, year and price for each sale ID in the sales table. Okay, so we have to print, if we say in a very common language, we have to print product name, year and price for each sale ID in this sales table. Okay, let's see the example first. We have our sales table over here. We have our product table over here. If you look at this tables very clearly, we have sale ID 1, 2 and 7 with product ID 100, 100 and 200. Okay, year, quantity and price. In this product table, we have a product ID 100, 200, 300 for Nokia, Apple and Samsung. Now, if you notice, we do not have Samsung, that is our product ID 300 in our sales table. But the question says we have to report these three things for each sale ID. Okay, so we have to include all the values of this sales table. Okay, so if we want to include all the values of this table, but there are chances that some values of this table may be neglected, so we will use left join, because it is very obvious that we have to join these two tables, because product name belongs to this table and year and price belongs to sales table. So we have to join these two tables and we will be applying left join. Fine. So this was our question. We have to print product name, year and price of each sale ID from sales table. Fine. So let's start with a query, the panel. As you can see in the output, we need 3 columns, product name, year and price. So we will select it. Select product name, year, price from sales. Okay, left join product on. Okay, so this is the syntax of how you do the left join. We have done another video on how you do the left join, which is a previous video. Okay, you can check that video in our SQL series. Okay, so this is how you write a left join. Fine. From now on, here in after on we will see which column is in common. So we have this product ID column in common. So on sales dot product ID is equal to, that is calling as if like you're calling an object. Fine. So from sales table, the product ID column is equal to product table product ID column. Okay, this is how you match the columns from different tables. Okay, so if it is equal, then we have to return these values. A simple code. Let's run it and check if it is correct or not. Hence it is correct. Our query is selected. Fine. So you can practice the same query in your LeetCode and let me know in the comment section if it helps. And do like this video, share it with your friends, and happy coding. Thank you.